Konnichiwa minasan! And welcome to another episode of What's Inside series. And for today's video, we are going to the Gundam base Tokyo in Odaiba, Tokyo. The Gundam base Tokyo is a Gundam builder's paradise, located on the 7th floor in Diver City Tokyo Plaza. It's an official Gunpla General facility aimed at the Gunpla fans all over the world. The facility consists of 4 zones where you can buy, see, learn, and enjoy Gunpla. You can also build, paint, and customize your own Gundam in the store with a builder workshop open to all customers. Therefore, everyone from children to adults can fully enjoy Gunpla. Even if you're not a Gundam fan, you would still enjoy this place. Why? It's because you will see a lot of Gundam plastic models being displayed on every corner of this facility. Gundam is iconic in Japan, and regardless if you watch anime or not, you should know the name. Visiting the life-size Gundam statue in Odaiba, Tokyo is the best way to get a monumental dose of Japanese otaku and pop culture. And that robot you see on your screen right now is a life-size unicorn Gundam statue in Odaiba, Tokyo. And don't worry guys, because when you arrive at Diversity Tokyo, you'll see this first thing before you get into the building. So you won't miss this robot. You could just take your time in exploring the Gundam base Tokyo on the 7th floor. You can see the lighting up of the life-sized unicorn Gundam statue. If you got busy exploring the other parts of Odaiba Tokyo and you arrive in the evening in Diversity Tokyo, don't worry, because you would still get the chance to watch one of the night productions going on every 30 minutes starting from 7:30 to 9:30. Just to give you a heads up, please do not expect too much from this robot because this is just basically a statue. So it's not gonna do any big moves or something like that would amaze you. So the only thing that would move is the horn that you see on its head. That's the only thing. And then the lights. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Arigatou gozaimasu. See you on my next one. Bye. Take care.